Hi everyone, this is Dimitri Pergamonic with MarketChameleon.com. I wanted to follow up on an example using the credit put spread screener, and we're going to look at stock ideas, bullish stock ideas. So before we did an example and showed how it's important to compare market price to a theoretical value and to measure if you have an edge, or how important it is to see if you're selling a credit put spread for a good price or not a good price, if you're getting a good deal or not a good deal. And I'm going to do that scan really quickly. We're going to look for theoretical edge of at least 10% or more, meaning that we're selling the credit put spread for 10% or above the theoretical value to get a theoretical edge. And we're also going to look for historical theoretical win rates of above 70%. So that's what it is over here. After doing that scan, we narrowed down the possibilities, and I'm also going to look for any expiration expiring within the next 30 days. So now we narrowed down to potential good potential put spreads. These are all sorted by market cap first. So now let's narrow down some of the stocks further, and what we could do is look for, since we have a bullish outlook, when you're selling a credit put spread, let's look for possible bullish stock ideas. So I'm turning over here to this tab over here, underlying stock ideas, and I'm going to go to the right. And this first filter is stock ideas. I'm going to look for market leaders, which means filter out stocks that have been leading the market higher, or the stocks that are the most responsible for taking the market higher. And the idea here is stick with the market leaders, because if the market leaders turn and go down, then they're going to pull everything down with them. So that's one idea. Another filter we have here is momentum stocks, and that's stocks that have been shown to produce higher highs and higher lows. In other words, there's a good underlying bid underneath the momentum, and it's a stronger momentum. I'm going to uncheck these, and let's go then to the option order flow sentiment filter. And this is looking for ideas. What are option traders doing? What is their sentiment? And we're measuring bullish call buying versus bearish put buying. And a bullish sentiment would be when, in dollar value terms, there's more bullish call buying than bearish put buying, or increasing bullishness, where it has been bullish and now there's a sudden increase in bullish call buying versus bearish put buying relative to historical. So that's another potential idea over here. Then you could use just basic technical analysis using the moving averages. You could read it over here, and here's an example of stocks that are on an uptrend, meaning that all the indicators are pointing bullish, so all the lines are crossed over in a bullish manner when you're comparing the 20-day, 50-day, 252-day versus the current price. So those are some ideas here to the right that you could use: option order flow sentiment, technical analysis, or what we talked about, market leaders or momentum stocks. Some people just like to go make it very simple and go to stocks hitting new 52-week highs. So you could set that with the idea that if they're hitting new 52-week highs, there must be good news and momentum behind it, and those stocks will continue to go higher in a bull market. Then you could select, either by market cap if you're looking for larger cap or smaller cap stocks, different common stock ETFs, REITs, or you could either go to stocks that belong to a certain group, like in a sector, energy, financial, S&P 500, or just stick to the Dow Jones top 30 stocks. So these are all ideas that you could use individually or in combination to narrow down further your credit put spreads. So then you look for good put spreads with theoretical edge, and then narrow down the stocks that are shown either technical or statistical bullish manner. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next video.